Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. Class 1, today we are going to learn unit number 7 from your book Amazing Science, and the topic is the sun and the stars. This is your Amazing Science by Oxford. Unit number 7, the sun and the stars. The sun. Let's start the reading. The sun is in the sky. We can see the sun in the daytime. The sun is a big ball of hot gases. It gives off bright light. The sun is in the sky and we can see the sun in the daytime, and the sun is a big ball of hot gases. It gives off bright light. The earth gets heat and light from the sun. The earth gets heat and light from the sun. The sun is very far from the earth. The earth gets heat and light from the sun. But as you can see in this picture, the earth gets heat and light from the sun. Stars. We can see stars in the sky at night. We can see sun in the sky at daytime, and we can see stars in the sky at night. Stars are very far away. Stars are big ball of burning gases. Stars are big ball of burning gases. Stars give off heat and light. The sun is a star. The stars give off heat and light, and the sun is a star. Stars are big ball of burning gases. Stars are big balls of burning gases. Come to the next page. This is your exercise page. Filling the blanks. We can see the dash in the daytime. What we can see in the daytime? Sun. We can see the sun in the daytime. The sun is very dash from the earth. The sun is very far from the earth. Number C is the sun is a big ball of hot gases. The sun gives off bright light. We can see dash in the sky at night. We can see stars in the sky at night. Tick under yes or no. You have to tick under yes column and no column. We can see stars in the daytime. Can we see stars in the daytime? No. So tick under the no column. Stars are near the earth. Stars are near the earth? No. So tick under the no. Stars are big balls of burning gases. Right. So tick under the yes column. Stars do not give off light. No. Stars give off light. So tick under the no. The sun is a star. Yes, the sun is a star. So tick under the yes. The number 3 is draw the things that we can see in the sky at night. Draw the diagram with the help of teacher. You have to draw the picture of sun, picture of moon and stars on your book, because we can see moon and stars in the sky at night. So this is your worksheet. What can you see in the sky? Sun, clouds, moon and stars. And I am thankful for the day and the night. What we can see in the sky? Sun, clouds, moon and stars. So students, this is your unit number 7's work. So you have to learn all this lesson and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.